Right, hello there ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to this live stream video for the property in front of me. Now I am in a place called Tidman Road, and for those of you that don't know, we are approximately a 4-minute drive to the M4 motorway. I've got a Lidl supermarket within a couple of minutes walk, and some local schools nearby as well. We're not far from the Select Car Leasing Stadium as well, home of the mighty Reading Football Club. So the property I'm bringing you today is this one in front of me. Now, doing this a little bit different, I'm starting off in the back garden rather than showing you the front, but I will head to the front to show you the surrounding area. But what I wanted to do is just start off in here. The sun was shining a moment ago, and I'm sure it'll be back out again soon. So this property here is a 4-bedroom. It's a 3-storey home, built I believe around 2018, so nice and new, really spacious, and I'm just giving you an idea of the rear garden. Now it is laid to AstroTurf. There's a shed here and there's a back gate which will take you back round to the front, so any garden waste, anything like that. You have these wonderful large French doors from your reception room, which I'm just heading into now. Just looking up. And this is a wonderful, large and bright reception room. Really good size here. Lots of space for your couch, and certainly room there, as you can see, for a 6-person dining piece. That table will actually extend as well. Lovely and bright with these large windows and door on there. So this is an interactive tour, so do feel free to ask questions. As I'm going around, I will do my best to answer those for you. You can also request your private viewings, and we would then be in touch with yourself to arrange. So moving into the kitchen, we've got this wonderfully large window, lets lots of light in, and I love the little bench down here. Now the idea being, when these guys moved in, they were going to put a table here and have them sit up here. They actually just like chilling out in the kitchen area here. Gas hob just there, and then we've got the electric oven. Now it's a griller and oven piece. And then we have the dishwasher as well, and there's your built-in washing machine. Lovely wooden tops, double sink, filtered tap by the looks of it there, and then you've got the room extractor as well as the extractor fan there above the hob. Lots of cupboard space, and it's a really spacious kitchen. I'd be tempted to put a couple of bar stools in and have it as a breakfast bar, but loads of room in here. So heading back down towards the front door now, we have the downstairs WC. Just showing you this here. Lovely and really well maintained, really well looked after family home. So just showing you the front of the property now. So you get 2 parking spaces with this home here. So you get the one here and the one just to the side. And I'll just show you around the side. So there's this break between the homes here as well. Wonderful area. And I'm just going to take you for a very short walk just down the road, just from where the house is. And the reason being, you can probably just see over here you've got a play park as well. So next week, half term, weather's good, the families will be out. It's just a real community area. I don't know if you can make out, but the sign for Lidl is just there, so it is just a short walk away. So the home here, they've future-proofed themselves. There's the electric charging port for the home. And then heading back in, what we'll do, let's head on upstairs. Oh, one thing just to point out, there is some understairs storage here as well. So as we head up the stairs, we have 2 of the 4 bedrooms. Now, it's flexible living. These guys haven't used this as a bedroom, they're using it as a second reception room. But look how wonderfully large this room is, and look how bright it is as well. Really spacious room, lots of light flooding into this room here through these two windows. Would make a really big bedroom or second reception room should you choose to. Family bathroom in between, all nice and modern, well maintained. The electrical port there for your shavers and everything. Bath and shower, and then you have this room here, and again it is a bedroom. Vendors not using it as a bedroom, they're using it as a home office, but they have got the built-in wardrobes here. You have some Juliet balcony doors just here to let lots of light in, and then a really good size space as well. And this is a double bed would easily fit in here as well. Currently using it as a home office, but you've got that space there should you want it. And as we said, sort of flexible living as well. So what we'll do, let's head on up. So up here we have two more bedrooms. Really nice thick carpet as well. And I'll take you into, so there's another cupboard just at the top of the stairs, and I'll take you into this room here. And these two further bedrooms, both are double size. Look at that there for the built-in wardrobe space. Really spacious, loads of storage space in here. Just gonna, there we are. So there's drawers and boxes, and then you have two windows. Oh, I obviously forgot to open the blinds on this one here, apologies, but loads of space, really big windows. This is a lovely bright room, looking out over the garden. And the thing is, although you're close to the motorway, you'd never realise it because it is so lovely and quiet. Oh, yeah, to answer your question, there is loft access just here. It is, there is a ladder, and I believe it is partially boarded as well for you. So there we are. Hopefully that answers the question. This is the main bedroom, really good size, nice large double bedroom, lovely big windows again. And then there's a recess here, which I suppose you could fit your wardrobe in, but they've kind of used it for their vanity table. But really spacious room, lovely and large, just look at that there. And then these lovely big windows overlooking, and there's the play park there. And for those of you that know Reading, there's your wind turbine, which is next to the stadium. So fantastic space, really is. Now, with the main bedroom, you do get the ensuite shower room as well, and it's a lovely size. Extractor fan in here, so no issues with damp or anything, no mould. I mean, it's a wonderful home, it really is. It's a lovely large property. You have got so many things close by, doctors' surgeries, schools, supermarkets, the motorway. There's a fantastic bus route just at the top that will take you into Reading town centre. You're close to International Business Park, Green Park, train station. Absolutely wonderful. This home offers so much, and I really think you guys need to come out and have a look at it properly as well. So I'll really looking forward to showing you around privately. Any questions, do feel free to drop me a message, get in touch with the office. We'll happily help out. I cannot wait to show you around privately. But if there's no more questions coming through, I want to thank you all for joining me. I look forward to seeing you soon, and I'll be in touch. Take care.